Hi class, it's me your math teacher Jello. For today's video, let's have another examples about probability mass function or PMF. Again, para masabi nating PMF siya, dapat masatisfy niya yung two properties. So sa unang property, f of x is equal to p of x is equal to x should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay? And for the second property, which is the summation of f of x is equal to the summation of p of x is equal to x must be equal to 1. Actually guys, eto, yung property A, we can write as f of x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, since f of x is equal to p of x is equal to x. Okay, or the other one, so p is equal to capital X is equal to small x. Okay, is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and then for the second one, we can also rewrite as the summation of f of x, okay, so must be equal to 1, or the summation of p of x equals x is equal to 1. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, sa second property, dapat, pag pinag-add natin lahat ng probabilities niya, ay magsasum up tayo to 1 or equal to 1. Gets? Okay, so, let's answer the third example. Consider the PMF or the probability mass function. So, given yung f of x is equal to p of x is equal to x, and then, our formula here is 1 over 6 times x. If x is an element of 1, 2, and 3, 0 otherwise. So, guys, dito, given na yung PMF natin, and then, ang gagawin lang natin ay show that the p of x is equal to x is indeed a probability mass function. So, papakita natin na dapat yung two properties, ito yung property A, and then yung property B, ma-satisfy niya dito sa ating given. Okay? Okay, so let's have solution first. So, dito, so we have P of x is equal to x equals, okay, so formula natin, we have 1 over 6, right? Okay, so 1 over 6 times your x is 1, right? Okay. So, actually ito, yung formula natin na to, we can already substitute na, no? Okay, so let me change. Ayan. And then, so simplify, 1 times 1 is equal to 1, and then over 6, right? Okay. And then, the second one, so we have P of x equals 2. Okay, yung value ng ating random variable, which gives us 1 over 6 times 2 equals 2 over 6, right? Or we can write as, or we can simplify, no? So 2 over 6 divisible by 2, so that is 1 over 3. Okay. So, saan natin kinuha yung values ng 1, 2, and 3? So, guys, dito yon. Ayan. Okay. And then, for the last one, so we have P of x equals 3, right? Equals 1 over 6 times 3. So, again, let's simplify. So 1 over 6 times 3, it will become 3 over 6. Or we can still simplify 1 half, right? Okay. So class dito, sabi natin sa first property, okay, dapat ma-prove natin na greater than or equal to 0. Gets? Okay. So, ang gagawin natin dito, so, i-divide lang natin yung 1 over 6. So, yung 1 over 6, kapag dinivide naman natin yan, so, using our calculator, that is 0.16666 or 0.167. So, greater than 0, right? So, this is greater than 0. And of course, ganun din yung 1 over 3, that is 0.33 when we divide, no? Greater than 0 pa rin. And of course, 1 half, that is 0.5. So, which is greater than 0 pa rin. Okay. And then, ang ibig sabihin, since na greater than 0 naman siya, so masasatisfy natin yung first property natin, which is greater than or equal to 0. So, nasatisfy niya yon. And, sabi natin dito sa given natin, 0 otherwise. Okay, so 0 otherwise, dito, yung magiging value natin dyan, so P of X equals X, this is now equal to 0. Okay, for X is not an element of 1, 2, and 3. So, guys, ano ang ibig sabihin dito? Ibig sabihin, 0 ang magiging probability kapag hindi naging value ng ating random variable, which is yung x, ay 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So, the first property of probability mass function is satisfied. So, ibig sabihin, check tayo dyan. Okay? So, dito, the probability of X equals X is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, ibig sabihin na satisfy niya yon. Gets? So now, and ipoprove natin yung second property, which is the summation of each probabilities must be equal to 1. So to do that, so let's solve. So our solution here is the summation of P of X is equal to X. So dito guys, we have upper limit and then lower limit, no? So we started from X equals 1 up to 3. Okay? So, ganyan yung summation natin. Kasi, saan ko nakuha yan? So, dito sa mga values ng binigay sa atin sa formula. Okay? So, sa PMF natin. So, kung nag-start ng 0, of course, dito sa lower limit natin, magiging 0 yan. Gets? Okay. Otherwise, kung nag-start naman ng 1, so sa 1 tayo mag-start. And then, ang ibig sabihin, kapag in-expand natin to, this becomes the probability of X equals 1. So, we started from 1 plus, so continue the process. So, X equals 2. And then plus X equals 3. So, hanggang dito lang tayo. Okay? And then, by substitution, so, our formula is 1 over 6, no? And then, since our X is 1, so, plug in lang natin yung class. Plus 1 over 6. And then, times 2. Plus yung probability natin doon ay, so 1 over 6 times 3. So guys, paano ko nakuha yung 1 over 6 dito? So, dito sa original problem natin, yung formula na to ay 1/6, right? Okay. And then, let's multiply. So, 1/6 times 1, that gives us 1/6 pa rin. Multiply only the numerator. Plus 1 times 2 equals 2/6. Plus 1/6 times 3, it gives us 3/6. So, class dito, since we come up with similar terms, or ito, no? Kasi yung ating denominator ay magkakapareha, so similar fraction siya. So, ibig sabihin, copy lang, no? Kapag similar fractions tayo, only add the numerator. So, 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 3 equals 6. And then, dito, pwede na tayo mag-simplify or mag-divide. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. Okay? So, na-prove natin na yung second property, yung sum ng probabilities natin ay equal to 1. So, therefore, nasatisfy niya yung second property din. Okay? So, the summation of P of x is equal to x equals 1. Okay? Since the two properties are satisfied, therefore, the P of x is equal to x is indeed a probability mass function. Gets? So now, let's answer number 4, example number 4. Consider the PMF, or the probability mass function, f of x equals 1/30x squared. If x is an element of 1, 2, 3, and 4, 0 otherwise, show that f of x is indeed a probability mass function. Okay, so katulad lang ito sa previous example natin, sa example number 3. Okay? So, if x, so first solution natin. So, if x equals 1, so then, f of x equals, our formula here is 1/30x squared, right? Okay. So, 1 times 30, 1/30 times x squared. So, our x here is 1, right? Okay, so 1 and then square, do not forget. Then simplify. So, unahin natin yung may parenthesis. I mean, yung may exponent, no? So, 1/30 times 1, no? Because 1 times 1 equals 1. And then, simplify again. So, that is 1/30. Right? Okay. And then, if x is equal to 2, f of x equals 1/30 times 2 squared equals 1/30 times 2 squared, that gives us 4, right? Okay. So, 1/30 times 4, that is 4/30. Tama? Okay. And then, again, yung 1, 2, 3, and 4 na sinasubstitute natin, dito nang galing yon. Okay? Sa support natin. And then, continue the process. 4/30, we can still simplify, right? Okay. Or 2/15. And then, if x is equal to 3, so continue the process. f of x now is equal to 1 over 30 times 3 squared. And then simplify yung may exponent and parenthesis, no? So 1 over 30. So 3 times 3 equals 9. And then again simplify. So 1 over 30 times 9, that gives us 9 over 30. Or pwede pang reduce, it will become 3 over 10. And then last, we have x is equal to 4. So f of x equals 1 over 30 times 4 squared. So 1 over 30 and then 4 squared, which gives us 16. Tama? And then times 1 over 30, that gives us 16 over 30. Or we can still simplify, that is 8 over 15. And then sabi rito, 0 otherwise, f of x, ibig sabihin, f of x equals 0 for x is not an element of 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, ang ibig sabihin, class, again, 0 ang magiging probability kapag hindi naging value ng ating random variable ang 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So, ito yung class. So, kapag ibang value, ibig sabihin 0 ang ating probability. Gets? Okay. So, yung property natin dito, yung first property ay nasatisfied niya, right? Okay, nasatisfied. So, therefore, f of x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay? Bakit niya nasatisfy yun? Kasi, kapag dinivide natin to, guys, 1 over 30, that is greater than or equal to 0, right? Same with 4 over 30, greater than 0 pa rin yan. So, along with 9 over 30, still greater than 0 pa rin. And of course, greater than 0. So, di ba sabi natin sa first property, dapat must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay? Yung ating bawat probability, no? So, ibig sabihin, yung first property is satisfied. Gets? So now, for the second one, second solution, ipoprove kasi natin yung second property kung masasatisfy niya yon. Okay. So, paano tayo magsosolution doon? So, same process sa example number 3 natin. So, we have the summation of f of x. So, ang ating lower limit is x equals 1. Upper limit ay 4, right? Kasi 1 to 4 yung dito sa ating pinapasubstitute. Okay? Sa ating value ng random variable. And then, by substitution, so this is p of x is equal to 1 up to 4, no? Okay, plus p of x is equal to 2, right? So, x is equal to 3 plus x is equal to 4. Okay, so next, let's plug in. So, our formula here is 1 over 30 x squared, right? So, 1 over 30. So, our x here is 1. So, do not forget the exponent. So, it will become 1 squared plus 1 over 30 times 2 squared plus 1 over 30 times 3 squared plus 1 over 30 times 4 squared. Okay, let's simplify. So 1 over 30, just bring down, and then 1 squared, that gives us 1, plus, again, copy 1 over 30, and then 2 squared, it will become 4, plus 1 over 30, so 3 squared, that is equal to 9, plus 1 over 30, and then 4 squared, that is equal to 16, right? Okay, again, let's simplify. So 1 over 30 times 1, that is 1 over 30 pa rin, still, plus, so 1 over 30 times 4, that is 4 over 30. Tama? Okay. And then, 1 over 30 times 9, that is 9 over 30, plus 1 over 30 times 16, 16 over 30. So guys, we come up with similar fractions. So again, what do we know about similar fractions? Dapat kapag ganyan, ipag-add natin yung numerator only, and then copy the denominator, no? Okay, so over 30. So 1 plus 4 equals 5 plus 9, 14 plus 16, 30. Okay, so simplify natin. 30 over 30, that is equal to 1. Gets? So dito, guys, na-prove natin na yung sum ng probabilities ay equal to 1. So therefore, f of x is equal to 1. So since the two properties are satisfied, therefore, f of x is indeed a probability mass function. So guys, ito yan yung pinaka-prove sa atin. So that f of x is indeed a probability mass function. So since na-satisfy niya yung two properties natin, so ibig sabihin, ito ay PMF or probability mass function. So this is the end of our video. I hope na marin kayo natutunan. Thank you for